Let's make text image composition in Adobe Illustrator. Take the text tool and write the text. Scale it up. Let's decrease spacing in the letters using Touch Type tool. A little bit towards the left side. OK. Let's swap colors. We only want stroke. Align outside stroke. Increase the weight of the stroke. OK. Right-click. Create outline. Go to Object. Path. Offset path. OK. Move it using downward arrow key. Place it down with the mouse No. In the Pathfinder. Click on this Unite icon to unite it. Now go to File. Place. I'll place this landscape. Adjust scale and position. Right-click, Arrange, Send to Back. Select both and make clipping mask. Select this eagle text and group it. Increase stroke and align it outside. Put this below the eagle text. Make the stroke white. OK. Now file and place. I'll place the eagle's transparent PNG. Adjust it on the text. Select the stroke, right-click, Arrange, Bring to Front. Select all and group them. Draw a shape for the background. Give it a color of your choice. I'll write another text now. Align it. Change the font. Disable all caps option. Align and adjust position. Let's make the background white. It looks better now. Like this video and subscribe to my channel.